Whenever you wake up in the morning with chapped, dark, lips that are not looking so sexy, this is actually what I do to ensure that my lips are not cracked and chapped and always supple. Yeah, and this is the final result. So stick with me. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to click on that notification bell. So, this is how I always start. Obviously, it's a sugar scrub, so you need sugar. You need maybe like 2 or a cup of sugar, depends on the quantity. You need lemon. Literally, you need a bowl to mix it, and you also need honey. One thing I always know is that any type of honey would do actually, but this local honey, I love using local honey. It's edible and I use it for all my DIYs basically. So I start by squeezing my lemon. If I can't squeeze it, I use my legs, like I put it on the floor and use my legs. This helps it to be much more juicier. Unless you have like a juicer or something to press and squeeze out the juice, this is an alternative method. So I cut my lemon into 2 equal halves, and yeah, I have my sugar. Now it's time to make the sugar scrub for your lips. You put in I just eyeballed it literally. There's no quantity, but just make sure that you use either half a lemon or the whole full lemon. If you have very dark lips, I'd say you use the whole full lemon. But if you don't really have that dark lips and you just want, something to scrub with, half a lemon is okay. So I didn't use any kind of sieve. That's why I have those things there, and I just pick it out. There's no big deal. I noticed that my sugar scrub was too watery. That's why I added water. That, like I said, it's basic eyeballing, no measurement, no strict measurement. Just make the consistency what you want. And now I'm adding my honey. 1 tablespoon of honey is enough for me, literally. But if you're making more, but I don't usually make so much, I make just a little batch that could last like a few weeks, a week or so, and that's it. You don't want to make something for months and months, but you can actually. You just need to make sure you refrigerate it or store it one way or the other. So people can go ahead and add olive oil whatsoever, but I don't have that kind of energy, seriously. This is enough for me. If you want it to be much more thicker, you could add more sugar to it. You could use white sugar or brown sugar, literally, but I don't want it to be too, scrub. I want it to really be, softer. And that's why I just make this consistency. But if you want something much more, you can feel like you're literally scrubbing your lips, then you can go ahead. Prior to this, I usually have this tip of using shea butter on my lips, then sleep, then wake up in the morning. It makes my lip to be much more softer, and it's easier to exfoliate than just scrubbing on just dry lips. So you should try that out at night. You shea butter, and yeah, this is it. I've actually scrubbed my lips first round, and I'm just going to try to make sure the whole thing stays in for a while. I go ahead to use my toothbrush. You could use lip brushes. I see some people selling lip brushes online and all that. You could use that, but literally I use my toothbrush because it's more convenient. I scrub my lips when I brush my teeth. Like after I brush my teeth, I scrub my lips. So literally using my toothbrush to do that is too convenient for me. So you can see already, if you use too much dark colored lipsticks, this would help you doing this daily. So you can see how my lips looks better than it was before. And yeah, you have to do this gently and slowly. You're not going to get results in one day. I've been doing this for years, like a long time. So yeah, but now you can see how smooth my lips are. Those chaps and all that is no longer there. You could move on to the next level, and this next level is if you have very very dark lips. To lighten your lips, you use vinegar, okay? But you don't want to overdo this. You don't want to do this every day because of you might be sensitive to it. So just put your vinegar in like a cotton pad, and most times I just put it on my lips like that for it to stay. But I don't do this every day. I do this like once in a blue moon. if I use like a dark lipstick and I see residue or whatever, I could do it like once or twice a week and that's it. But if you have very, very dark lips, you can go ahead using it twice a week, and that is it. That's enough, literally, because you already have lemon in your formula, your scrub formula, and you can see what it does to the lips. It literally lightens it, but with time you know moisturize your lips so it could calm it down. I use Vaseline, but you can use shea butter. Sometimes I use shea butter at night, then Vaseline during the day. Shea butter helps it to be moisturized while I sleep, then during the day, and easy to exfoliate. Then during the day I use Vaseline, but whichever one you want to use, literally. So this is me using shea butter. You can see how moisturizing oily it is, so I went to wipe that off, and now you can see Vaseline the way it is. So yeah, whichever one you want, just do what you like, do what's comfortable for you. I like using Vaseline as my base or shea butter as my base before I use a lip gloss. This is the Lavish Life. You can actually use any kind of lip gloss, literally. Before I use my lip gloss, it helps give it a feel. I don't know, but I'm just used to it. So you can actually go ahead and just use a lip gloss, but I like to do like double layer kind of. So yeah, this is just me making sure that I don't look like I just ate fried chicken. And yeah, that's what my lips look like. The lighting is not really doing justice to it, but yeah, you have to keep on being consistent doing this every day, and you can see my lips. Yeah, I've been doing this for a long time, like for years, though I stopped at some point. I just use my toothbrush to brush, and yeah, literally, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to follow, like, and subscribe, and share this, and put that in the comment section if you're going to be trying this, and if you did, come back to the video and tell me what your experience was like. Bye.